What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you guys how does it work after you buy a salvage vehicle. So this is from my own experience. I'm not an expert. I bought few vehicles in the past and this is one of them that I bought. I'm driving right now. I bought a week ago or 10 days ago, and I fixed it. I got it inspected and it's roadworthy again, and it's back on the road, insured, registered, and everything. So I'm just gonna go with you through the process on how to buy a vehicle and get it inspected and registered and stuff like that. So I live in Arizona, and it might be different in your state. However, the requirements should be pretty much the same over the states, because here in Arizona we buy the vehicles with the wrecked vehicles with a salvage title. So it was clean, it got wrecked, the owner was paid for the vehicle's value, and the title was, a new title was issued for the car or the truck with a salvage brand. So it was branded as salvage, sent to third party like Copart, or maybe through the insurance company itself, or it doesn't matter where you buy it from, but you bought it with a salvage title. So now you took it home, you tow it, you drive it, something like that, and then you need to fix it. So you need to make it roadworthy again. You fix it, and now you need to get it inspected. So there's here in Arizona, there's a 3 levels inspection: level 1, level 2, level 3. I never got any car or vehicle in a level 1 or 2 inspection, because level 3 is the highest level inspection. It supersedes any other inspection. So I think level 2 is for VIN number check or something like that. However, level 3 is for the salvage vehicles. So one second. So now you need to take it for a level 3 inspection after you fix it, whether you fix it yourself or you send it to someone to fix it. Now it's first come first serve in Arizona, and you take it in. Officers, trained officers, they look at the car, they make sure it's roadworthy again, and in the next video I'm gonna go through everything they look for to make sure your car is roadworthy. And it's a very easy process, to very easy, let's say, inspection to pass, because they look for general stuff, the car runs and drives and stuff like that. I'm gonna go through it in details in the next video. However, you need to get it inspected to change the brand of the title. So it's salvage title. You need to, here in Arizona, it goes back to be called restored salvage, because you got it restored from salvage. And then you can go to the DMV and register in your name and get it insured and stuff like that. The process should be similar over the states, and some requirements may vary. I just wanted to share with you my experience through this. It honestly saved me so much money to do my own work, and you know, driving a restored salvage vehicle with a bumper replacement, it saved me a couple $1,000s from driving the same vehicle with a clean title. So I don't care, I'm daily driving this thing 60 miles each way every day, and I don't care if it's called clean or if it's called salvage. I know it's 100% functional, and it serves the same purpose for me. So with that being said, this is my I just wanted to share my experience with you guys. So I want to thank you so much for watching. If this was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe. In the next video, it's going to be I'm going to show the car, and in another video in the near future, it's going to be what they go through step by step in the inspection to make sure that your car is roadworthy. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.